Hello everyone. April 14th is full of laughter, kindness, and the wonders of nature. Let's celebrate life's simple pleasures. There's something for everyone, and these are perfect opportunities to gift someone, even without a special reason. But wait, if these gifts are too late, and you missed out on this opportunity, don't worry. We've got something special for you in 2 weeks, and even more exciting events next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. Let's start. First, it's National Dolphin Day. Admire the intelligence and grace of dolphins, while supporting efforts for ocean conservation. Dolphin-themed prints, or conservation donations, are meaningful ways to honor them. Have you ever seen a dolphin up close? Let's share our experiences in the comments. Next, International Moment of Laughter Day. Spread joy and smiles by sharing funny stories or moments with loved ones. Comedy books or whimsical pranks can add extra cheer to this day of laughter. What's the funniest moment you've had recently? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more amazing content. And hey, share this video with your friends, they'll thank you later. Finally, it's National Gardening Day. Reconnect with nature by starting a new gardening project or tending to your plants. Gardening tools or vibrant seeds are wonderful ways to celebrate this day of growth. What's your proudest gardening moment? Let's share tips in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, and in one of the next videos, the weekly upcoming events, celebrations of the 4th April week, and the same days of May, so you will get the right gift ideas early. Thanks for tuning in everyone. We'll see you next time with more exciting celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome.